We can do the dictionary nesting. Yani, we can have a dictionary within the dictionary. So we can say that a dictionary can contain one or more nested dictionaries. So, for example, I have dictionary. For example, this is my dictionary, and I have a key, and the value is another dictionary. Okay, and similarly, I have a key, and the value is another dictionary. So this is like a nested dictionary. Key and nested dictionary. Okay, so so um, so we have like this will be like a nested dictionary. So let's see this example. This is just a blank dictionary. I can save it and let's print it. Print um, print students. So we will see that we have like empty dictionary. And now if I put a value in this one, so for example, the value is Ahmed, Ahmed, and this is and it has another dictionary, okay? So this is like grade is equal to, grade is like a B, okay? And then comma, we have another student ID, SID, which is like this, colon, and the value is like 101. Okay. And if you see here, we have a dictionary, nested dictionary. So I can run it and you can see that. So we have Ahmed, which is a key, and then we have a dictionary. So like we have a key, colon, and a dictionary. So similarly, I can add another value. So for example, I can also add like that, students, and then I can say, okay, Joseph. If Joseph is there, it will replace. If it is not there, then it will add as another element of them. So I can just copy from here quickly. So this is like grade is A, okay? Grade is A, and student ID is 102. So if I run it, so you will see that I will get the Ahmed and Joseph as my entries to the. Okay, something went wrong in this part, because we have an extra bracket here. So let's remove it, clear the screen, and then I can run it. So if you see, I have this is one dictionary, and then we have Ahmed value, and then another one. We have a Joseph, and then we have another dictionary. Did you see that? So this is what we call a nested dictionary. Now, you see here that we are having key and, oh, sorry, I missed the colon here, and a dictionary, and then key and as a dictionary. If you want to read a value from this dictionary, so you can do like that. But now this time you have to give two keys. One key is from this one and another key from this part. Okay. So I can say I can have, so I'll be having two dictionaries, because it is nested. So I can say Ahmed, and I want SID, for example. SID. Ahmed and SID. Let's see what it prints. I can clear the screen and then I can print. Okay, so I got 101. Did you see that? And if I say I'm looking for a grade, and you can say grade, and I should be getting B. So similarly, if I change this one to Joe's, so you see that we have two dimensions now, one dimension and another one. So nested loop kind of a thing. So now I should be getting A. So this is how you can access the dictionary nesting. We have an example. So if you see here, we have grade, and dictionary within a dictionary. This is one dictionary, okay? And then we have inside another dictionary. So the value is, the key is 101, and the value is this kullu shay, all of this dictionary. What is that? Oh, homework has a list of values. Midterm exam is just one value. Final exam is just one value. Okay. So similarly, we have another student. It has the homework. Okay. And then midterm exam and the final exam. And similarly, the third student and the dictionary is closed. So you see, it gives us such a powerful data structure that we can we are managing. And how we can access? Very simple. You can just give the main ID, main key, that is 101 or 102 or 103, and then give the inside key. So let's copy this one, and I can say, okay, now I have my grades, and I want to print homework. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll say, okay, this is my homework, and I want to get it from the grades. And in the grades, I have like SID, which is 101. Okay. And then we have another one, which is like homework. Huh? So I can say, which is my homework. So for 101 homework, I should be getting three values. Huh? By the way, if I can say, okay, let's try, and then print HW. So I should be getting something 79, 80, and 74. And this is a list. You see that? So this is something interesting. How about this? If I just use a print here, I can do that, and I can just remove this part, and it will print like that. But the beauty is that in this way, I can get the value in a separate variable. Okay, and then I can use whatever I want to, how I want to. Then I can do like that. Oops, what happens? The grades, I think I missed the bracket here. And let's try now. Oops. Okay. Oh, maybe I don't need these brackets because this is just the value, and brackets was for the print statement, not for the grades. Huh? Sorry for that. So there you go. Now, what I want to do is I want to add these marks, okay, with these marks. So how to do that? Let's try. So I'll say, okay, now I got H1, I have 0 plus HW1 plus HW2 plus, okay, now I need to read the mid exam as well, huh? So I can say mid is equal to, I will be getting it mids. Okay, mid is like 101. Okay, that's fine. And then we have a mid. So it will go to the 101 and you'll get the value of mid, that is 85. And then I want to get the final, and it will go to the grades. And then I can have like 101, and then it is like fine. So I should be getting 92. And now I can say in this part, I can say, okay, go ahead, add them up, plus mid plus fine. So I should be printing something, big value. So let's try that. Oh, I missed the mid. What happens to the mid? 101, I missed this apostrophe. I missed the apostrophe here. And let's try again. Clear the screen. No, something went wrong. Okay, grades is not defined. So I have a spelling problem. Grades. Good. So again, clear the screen and then, okay, so I got 410. Okay. So if you want to take the average and want to make it, so we have to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can print and then you can say, okay, this is something like this part divided by 5. So you'll get the percentage out of 100. So there you go. So this is 410 and it is 82% marks. Okay, guys. Now, let's try another method. Now, you have seen that we need these values from the homework. So why not we can use a loop to get these values? Okay. So we have this HW. So what I'm gonna say is I'll say, okay, I can sum of them. I can use the sum method. I for I in HW. Okay. So HW already has 3 values. I'll get one value and that value will go to I and I will sum it. So when I will sum it, I can add that values to the mid and final, and I should be getting 410. Okay. So let's try this part. Let's try this one. But this one, I can also do the same thing, huh? Because this is what we are trying to for my average. So I should be getting the same answer, 410 and 482.0. There you go. So this sum is working fine. It is getting all the values from the homework. So you see, so we are using for our dictionaries, and that's it. So let's stop it here. Thank you very much.